Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Blackview Tab 13 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your search engine website, and for this example I will use youc.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now you can click here, you can go to settings, and now if you click on search engine and scroll down, you will see that in recently visited you have youc.com option. And now if you click back, you can see that my search engine is now set to youc. So that is for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.